Welcome to Homework Lib.
What products will you expect when ethyl magnesium, usually bromide, reacts with water or first with benzaldehyde followed by acidification? Ethyl magnesium bromide is a very strong base, so water will immediately protonate it and form ethane and magnesium hydroxybromide. It will add to benzaldehyde like that. That's carbon from benzaldehyde. And protonation will give you an alcohol. That will be the product.